Here we go. If you've seen some of my videos, this is my friend Sabrina's 2016 Sentra 1.8, and it is running like crap. Okay, so it says misfire cylinder 4. So I switched the coil pack from 4 to 2, didn't move. Did spark plugs, didn't move. And I've been looking, and apparently these engines are really bad to lose compression on cylinder 4 down to like 30. So before I make a final diagnosis, I'm going to do a Hail Mary on it. Hoping it's an injector. I'm hoping I can just kind of throw something at it and get it done. So what I'm going to do today is a Hail Mary this thing. I went to AutoZone, Lucas high mileage fuel treatment with cleaners and lubricants. It will clean the injector and lubricate it, or buy one, get one free. So we're going to double dose it. I'm going to top it off with Shell BP Premium something. And then just in case it does have low compression, which is what I'm going to test next week if this doesn't work, I'm also going to throw one of these guys. I've never used one of these. It's the 8-cylinder formula. This is a 4-cylinder, so we will put this in there and see, because they were out of the 4-cylinder formula. So 2 times 4 is 8, so it's got to be twice as good. So I'm going to finish buttoning it up from spark plugs. Didn't do anything. I think I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to replace that coil pack, but I don't think that's the issue, because I moved the coil pack. It didn't change, but I'm going to replace it anyways. I'm going to get that in there, get those in there, and I'm going to drive it to Paris and back, which is about a half-hour drive. And it's either lost compression or it's got a clogged cat, but I don't think it's a clogged cat. So like I said, we're going to Hail Mary this and see if we can get done. Here we go. Hello.
Hi.
That is all in there. Put this guy back on. Then we will put both those in the tank. It's at 3/4 of a tank. And then we'll get this thing and run down the road. Real quick, Steve and I appreciate you watching this video. We hope it helps you get this job done today. If you can take a second of your time and hit that like and that subscribe button, it helps us make more videos like this. And the more these videos I get to make, the less I have to go to my day job. So appreciate it. Did all that, and I drove it one exit down the road, put both tanks bottles of fuel injector cleaner in it, filled it up with 93 octane Shell V-Power, and she drove it until the tank was empty. It didn't do anything. Nothing changed. So I don't have a compression tester here in Lexington. It's at my other garage with Steve. So I sent her to my friend's shop. He said he'd look at it and diagnose it for her. And the problem ended up being I was chasing a problem and going about it the wrong way. Kept saying misfire cylinder 4. So I switched 4 and 3, and it didn't move. Well, the cylinder misfire won't move if you're switching it with another bad coil pack. Upon further diagnosis, 3 of the 4 coil packs were not firing or misfiring. So she was basically running on a good cylinder. So changing spark plugs didn't do anything. It made that one cylinder run better. Fuel injector treatment didn't do anything. Compression tester improvement stuff didn't do anything. And the crazy thing is, my friend who runs a shop replaced all 4 coil packs. She said the car ran better than it ever did, because it's had 2 balls of fuel injector treatment, compression restore, brand new spark plugs, brand new coil packs. She said it was running better than it did the day she bought it. But crazy thing is, within like 2 months of changing all 4 coil packs, another one went bad. Apparently on these Sentras, the coil packs are notorious for going bad. So if you've got one of these Sentras and you're getting misfires on cylinders 4, they said 4 is really bad. If you get misfire cylinder 4, change your spark plugs and change your coil packs. And my advice is, if you have one bad coil pack, go ahead and do all 4 of them and get them from somewhere that has a lifetime warranty, because as I've seen on this car, it'll go bad again. So just take it back and exchange it.